Happy 2024, happy new year. It's going to be a glorious new year for each and every one of us. In the mighty name of Jesus, I pray that all your goals that were not fulfilled in 2023 will definitely be fulfilled in 2024. I thank God for your life. I thank God for my life and my family and friends, that we are alive and we are well. And I hope you're well with your family and friends as well, and loved ones. Okay, it's such a great honor to be alive, to have seen a new year, because a lot of people didn't make it, unfortunately. And for us that we made it, we are super grateful to God that we are alive and we are well. Especially when you're healthy, it's just the special grace of God, and I'm just thankful to God for that. And I'm also very, very thankful for you always coming back and tuning into my channel, subscribing to my channel, your comments, your likes, your questions, just talking to me in the comments. I love it. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Keep it coming. Okay, I love to connect with you in the comment section. All right, and I hope you had a fantastic holiday. I did with my family. I hope you had time winding down with your family, your loved ones, your friends, and I hope you didn't do any drama. Okay, ladies, like we always say here on this channel, we don't do any drama. Welcome back to my channel, or shall I say welcome. If you're new here, welcome. Happy New Year. My name is Adele. Here on Passion Heavily, my focus and my goal is to inspire you beautiful ladies out there, okay, to feel better, to look better, and do better every single day. Is this also something that you'd be interested in? Make sure you tune in every Sunday, because I post weekly for a brand new video. Now here on my channel, I share self-development videos in different areas as fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And to my sophisticated, elegant ladies, I say a big welcome to you. I say Happy New Year to you. Happy 2024. I'm so happy to have you here with me again on my channel, and I give you a virtual hug like I always do. Thank you so much for always coming back to my channel. All right, ladies, we are finally in a new year. We are in 2024 by the special grace of God. And I know at this time of the year, it's a very reflective time for literally everybody, right? And so I want to share with you in today's video, I want to share with you the things that you're going to be seeing from me, things to expect from me from this new year. I'm sure I've said it once or twice here on my channel before that I don't believe in New Year resolutions. What I do and what I believe in is setting goals and working towards achieving those goals, and that's what I've been doing for years. And also last year I did share the things I was going to work on, which is being authentic to myself. And I also, in doing that, I put in boundaries where they need to be. And of course there were some fight backs, but like I said in that video that I shared with you last year about boundaries, if you stand your ground, your boundaries will be respected, right? So for this year, one of the things that I want to do for myself, or well, if you want to call it New Year resolution, but for me I call them goals, is for me to be still being authentic to myself and just doing me, without me having to be me and do what I want to do and what makes me happy, without having to do that at the detriment of my kids or my husband or my my entire family and friends, my loved ones. So I'm just going to continue doing that, because I've seen such an amount of growth in me just being authentic to myself. And in being authentic to myself, it has allowed me to be able to share my natural hair with you, and in doing so it has also grown me in such a big way, where I was able to create another channel for my personal, natural hair, which is microlocks. And if you are thinking of microlocks, or you already have microlocks, that channel will be amazing for you, and I'll leave the link in the description bar below for you to go and subscribe if you're yet to subscribe to that. Now for today's video, ladies, I want to come on here and I just want to thank you all for following along my journey, for your likes, for your comments, for your support. We're growing here on Passion Heavily, and I cannot be happier, even though I thought I'll be I will have grown way past where I'm at right now, but I still give glory to God. I thank God for the growth that I've seen so far, and I just want to take this opportunity again to just kind of thank you and appreciate you. And you know, I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, and I would love if you have not subscribed to my channel for you to subscribe to my channel, share my videos, share my channel with your family and friends, your colleagues. That way we can all be one big family and we can grow and share you know, testimonies, share our experiences together, because that's what I want to do here. I want to come on here, I want to share my testimony, and I want to share my experiences and things I'm loving, things I would recommend, things I have in my closet, things that I'm going to recommend to you, things that I'm using in my personal life and things that I'm doing in my personal life. Now, in terms of the fashion aspect of my channel, what I want to do going forward is to maximize my closet. And I believe I've been seeing this for the course of last year. I will constantly be looking, but I will not be shopping all the time. So my goal for myself and my channel is to show you how I take one thing and I, you know, share it, you know, style it multiple ways, and how you can also do the same thing. I want to, if I'm adding anything into my closet, which I've done in the past couple of, I think 3 months, I'll be sharing all that with you in the next video. I want to, you know, kind of let you know as I'm adding things into my, you know, closet, and how I intend to style them, and, you know, just give you an inspiration if you have something similar, or if you have that exact same piece, and, you know, just to kind of share it with you different ways that you can style them. For me now, I'm taking my time before I buy anything, and I've been sharing all of this all through last year when I did my big declutter, and I'm going back to, you know, maximizing, you know, my closet. That's one of the things that I want to do, one of my goals for my channel and, you know, for myself. Another thing I'm going to keep doing on my channel is the lifestyle aspect, which is to uplift, again, share my testimony, you know, just kind of share things that I'm doing in my life that is working, that is just kind of pushing me forward. And I literally had to start my closet, my collection from, you know, from scratch, and I'm loving it. Again, it has brought me so much, not just joy, but it has also brought me, you know, strength and growth, and it has made me solid in who I am. And, you know, it has helped me to also refine myself in so many ways. And as time goes on, I will, you know, keep sharing this. And also I want to share in depth, you know, about my handbag collection, because as I've said many times here, I'm a huge handbag lover. I'm a huge handbag enthusiast. And so I want to share with you, you know, not just my collection, but I want to do reviews, what I've had in the past, what I'm, you know, possibly letting go, because I do have some bags right now on the chopping board that, you know, I'm going to let go of. Even though I've done my huge declutter last year, now again, my style is getting more, you know, granular, is getting more refined. My style is not trendy. My style is very classic, is very classy, with a touch, just a dash of trend to it. That's how I'm going to classify my, you know, personal style. And so I do have handbags in my collection that I've had 10 years, I've had, you know, 5 years, I've had 2 years. I just want to kind of share with you how I style them, you know, again, wear and tear, and how they have held up since adding them into my closet. Just to share with you reviews. That way it will help you also in, you know, when you want to you know, buy handbags and things like that, and, you know, when you want to buy your handbags and what to look for in buying handbags. I'm realizing that some of the bags that even after I did my declutter, I thought were serving me, were not really serving me. And so again, I'm going all the way down, and just, you know, I have some bags I might share with you. If you want to see a video about the bags that I you know, I'm thinking of letting go, or I really want to let go, actually not thinking that I want to let go, leave your comments in the description bar below, and I'll love to share that video with you. And one thing I noticed that I've not really been doing, and I've just been talking about on the surface level, which is the beauty aspect. I know that for the beauty aspect, the only thing I've really been sharing in the beauty department is actually fragrances. Again, huge fragrance lover. I will continue to share with you my fragrances, of course, if I'm adding anything, which I doubt. To be very, very honest with you, I have just one new fragrance that I bought, I think 2-3 months ago, and I've not shared here, neither have I even used it. And so I'm going to share with you, I'm going to share that fragrance with you in the next video. But for now, in the beauty aspect, I'm still going to, you know, keep sharing, you know, again, doing reviews all about my fragrance collection. But again, I don't think I'm going to be adding any new fragrance into my collection anytime soon, because right now I think I have about almost 60 or 54, 55, almost 60 bottles of fragrances. And I think that's a lot. Honestly, I wasn't expecting to go that big, but here I am, right? So I just want to kind of stick to that. And even though I've decluttered quite a bit, about I think 10 bottles or so, I want to see if I can still declutter more and make my fragrance collection smaller. However, I would have like a mix of, you know, a collection that is serving me, that I like, and what I like to, you know, smell every day on myself. And having said that, I kind of digress from what I wanted to say initially about the beauty aspect of the channel. I started last year, I think December, during the holiday season. I think I shared literally for the holidays, gift ideas and things like that. I shared literally all beauty, makeup and stuff like that. And so I want to continue into this year, and I want to share with you what I'm loving, what I've added into my collection, and, you know, again, do reviews for you. Yeah, because right now, again, I have decluttered a lot of my makeup and skincare. Even as of last week, I took out more than half of my, you know, makeup right now. And what I have in my collection right now is what I have on my face. It's what I'm currently using. I did share last year that I placed an order with Valentino, and I have the Valentino foundation on my face. I absolutely love it. Okay, and not just the Valentino foundation. Again, I want to share with you, you know, what I've added into my, you know, beauty aspect of, you know, my collection. Now, having said all of that, I know if you're new here, you might not know that I'm a fashion blogger based in Toronto, Canada. And last year was such, you know, a growth type of year for me that I didn't have time to write articles on my website. And yes, I do have a website, and I'll leave the name on here for you to see on the screen. It is www.passionheavenly.com. My name is Passion Heavenly all across all my social media platform. On Instagram, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure that you check me out and you follow me on Instagram. I'm also on TikTok, and I'm also here. So it's Passion Heavenly on my website all across the board. So make sure that you check me out on all my platforms and give me a follow. And having said all of that, ladies, I cannot wait to share with you so much that, you know, I have in the books to share with you. Thank you for being here with me, for writing with me, for sticking it out with me, for supporting me and not looking at my numbers, and coming back every single week, you know, to subscribe to my channel, you know, watch my videos, again, connect with me in the comment section. I truly appreciate it. It goes a long way for me. You might not know, but it goes a long way for me, because I didn't even think I was going to last up until now. But here I am, you know, going into my second or my third year here on YouTube by the special grace of God. And yeah, so having said all of that, again, I want to say a big thank you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Ladies, this is a new year, as we have been saying, okay, for years. We do not do any drama. We are bringing that into 2024. We are not doing any form of drama. We are walking away from drama, okay, ladies? And I will see you in my next video. God bless you. Take care, ladies, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.